Welcome back to the channel. My name is Olugbade Samuel. In today's video, I want to bring something important to the notice of the general public, or especially the aviation enthusiasts. One thing I want to tell us is that please, the way we use social media is very, very important. There's a news I saw, something that happened in the Abuja airport, and instead of people to care of saving lives, they rather use their phone to take pictures, to take videos for posting. This is very, very wrong. I'm going to read the news out and you will see that what I'm saying is right. It said, FAAN officials save collapsed passenger at Abuja airport. Ask public to focus on saving lives, not social media posting. It's very, very common. There's some times ago that Professor Wole Soyinka said something like that about the collapsed building in Lagos. That people, instead of people rallying around saving lives, they are caring about taking videos, doing pictures, doing one or two things, which is very, very wrong. And it says the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria saves collapsed passengers at Abuja airport. The tweet: a passenger about to board an Air Peace flight from Abuja collapsed, was given emergency resuscitation at the airport following the quick intervention of the Federal Airport Authority of Nigerian officials. You see, at the time of boarding, the passenger collapsed, but FAAN officials took up the passenger and they were able to resuscitate him. Mr. Ajani, who performed cardiopulmonary resuscitation on the passenger before the arrival of the medical team. I think this man is the hero. Yeah. This is just as fun as diverse the general public on focusing on saving life instead of recording with phones for it on social media. It has become something that people are now doing. People are now doing it as normal things. Instead of saving lives, instead of running around, people will not be using their phone to take pictures, to take videos because they want to, the so-called blue, I want to blue. It's very, very wrong. He said, FAAN in a statement signed by Mr. Henrietta Yakubu, explained that contrary to the certain reaction which followed a video making the rounds on social media to that, the FAAN official performed the first aid function before the medical team arrived shortly after administered first aid treatment and subsequently evacuated the passenger to the Air Force Base Clinic. Thank you for FAAN. Thank you for FAAN officials. The airport manager frowned at the complete disregard for privacy as people videoed and broadcast the incident and numerous others instead of focusing on saving life, which is the proactive thing. I love what the airport manager did. Yes. Why will you be using your phone to take video instead of trying to save lives? It has been enough, and I think we should look into this. Yes, it said, FAAN in a statement signed by Mr. Henrietta Yakubu explained the contrary FAAN also advised passengers to avoid treating medical officials or intimidating them in situations like this. Call for decorum. He said FAAN advised passengers to avoid threatening. Why will a passenger be threatening medical officials in the first place? Why would they be threatening them in the first place? They are there to save your life and you are trying to threaten them. You will die. The statement reads, FAAN would like to use the opportunity to appreciate feedback we are getting to drive and improve our processes. We appeal to stakeholders to always be orderly and proactive in the face of emergency situations, as on the day at port health officials on duty was intimidated and hindered from assisting the sick passenger. Interference, threat, and agitation only undermine the focus on saving lives and further slowing the emergency response process. Additionally, we also do appeal that please, the privacy of any distressed person or facility be always respected by desisting from just merely watching or recording such person for public broadcast. To succeed in resolving emergency, we do need more hands on deck than on phone. He said, to succeed in resolving emergencies, we do need more hands on deck than on phone. I think we have to look into this. We are all mature individuals, and one day, somehow, somewhere, sometime, you might fall into this kind of situation. What will you be of hope when you are dying and people are taking pictures of you, taking videos and posting? Ask yourself that question. We should desist from this, and I hope people will listen and people will do the right thing. Do subscribe to the channel, notification button, smash the like button, comment below for more news. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.